Welcome to the World Agri-Tech Innovation Summit virtual platform. This video will show you how to best use the virtual platform. To log in, you'll be sent an email from hello@swapcard.com. On the email, click Let's Get Started. The first step is to complete your profile. Click Edit above your details on the left-hand side of the page. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you. But it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence within the platform favours profiles which are most complete. A profile with a photo will be given priority over a profile without a photo, for example. So it's important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, add additional contact information, link social media accounts, add information about your company and your skills. Displaying your skills will increase how many profile views you receive. These can be real skills like project management or communication, but you can also add your industry and your department, for example. All this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you have updated your profile, head home and click on the My Event tab. Here, you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, click on the My Meetings to see if you've received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can accept or decline each meeting. Once you have accepted it, it will then be added to My Schedule. You can also mark yourself as unavailable during time slots by clicking Make Unavailable. The unavailable slots will no longer be displayed on your profile and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you on these slots. At any time, to make these times available again, just click on Make Available. My Event page is where you'll be able to see your chosen sessions and roundtables where you can manage your one-to-one meetings. We'll come to each of these in turn. Head back to the home page and click the Watch Live button. Here, you're able to watch the session that is currently live, see the sessions that are coming up next, which will autoplay after each session finishes. Note that the session timing shown here and throughout the whole site adapts to your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees also watching the session, ask any questions to the speakers, and answer any polls. On sessions that have speakers, their profiles will be linked below. To see the whole schedule, click the Agenda button. On the left, you can apply filters and search for either plenary sessions or specific tracks, and the right shows you sessions you have added to your schedule. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personal schedule, click either the plus icon or click on the session itself and click the Register button. You will then find these saved in My Event, My Schedule. As soon as the session begins, watch them live by either clicking on the session title or by simply clicking the Watch Live button. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month after the live event. Also for the month afterwards, you can continue to message speakers, exhibitors and attendees to ensure you maximise your networking value from the summit. For networking, click on the One-to-One Meetings button to see the list of all delegates registered for the summit. As mentioned earlier, based on the information you add to your profile, the system will display at the top of the list people you should meet. On the left, you can search the attendee list for specific names or companies, or filter the list by company type, country, or company. To connect with someone, click on their profile and send them a connection request, which will enable you both to share contact details, including email, telephone, and address. Once you have connected with each other, you can then send private messages with that person. These connections are shown in My Event, My Networking. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile to view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select virtual, add a message, and click Send Meeting Request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in My Event, My Meetings, and also in the Others profile. These can also be exported to your own calendar. If you have a lot of meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of them to free up meeting slots, as pending meetings block meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you have to cancel it and send the meeting request again. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. Messages, connections, reminders, and updates all send notifications. During the summit, regularly check My Event, My Schedule to manage your personal schedule. When it's time for a scheduled meeting, you will see a video call button appear next to the meeting in My Schedule. Click on this to start the meeting at a set time, and you will have the meeting within the virtual platform. Clicking on the Roundtables button. At specific times during the summit, there will be roundtable discussion groups, which you will need to sign up for in advance. You can access these via the Roundtables button or through the agenda. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure that they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to network, brainstorm solutions, and share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest. On this page, you can filter the sessions of the roundtables that will take place, and you'll find the list of all of the roundtables on both days. You will see the times, the topics, and the hosts. To register for your selected roundtable, you can click the register button on the list or on the session itself. It will then appear under your schedule in My Event. When it is time for the roundtables to take place, open the roundtable session that you have registered for, click on a link that will be added to the description, which will then take you to the live roundtable discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as these will work like a Zoom meeting where everyone on the roundtable can talk to and see each other. Back on the homepage, click on the exhibition button. The list of sponsors is displayed, with each having their own virtual exhibition booth, sharing information, links, and documents. Sessions which sponsors are speaking at are also linked to their exhibition booth. You can one-to-one chat with a company on the right-hand side and also book meetings in the same way that you would with attendees. You can bookmark exhibition booths, which are then linked to My Event, My Bookmark Companies. Each company's representatives are also linked to the exhibition booth, and by clicking on their names will direct you to their individual profiles. The Startups page will also show information on the startup companies featured at the summit. The chat room button will have a chat room that is open for everyone to share ideas and start conversations. The Rethink Events team will monitor this chat room. If you have any questions about the event and the platform, you can ask them here. Finally, let's head back to the My Event page. As you can see, the sessions and roundtables that I have registered for now appear in My Schedule, and my confirmed one-to-one meetings appear in My Schedule also. You can export your whole schedule by clicking on the Export button on the left-hand side. Don't forget to check My Meetings to accept, decline, or alter any incoming meeting requests. My Networking will show the details of all the connection requests that you have sent and received. My Bookmark Companies will show the sponsored companies that you have saved, and you can always add all this to your calendar and download it as a PDF. Enjoy the virtual summit.